HiQA is reimagining manufacturing quality. Our unified platform helps you win more business by simplifying and automating your manufacturing quality, both internally and throughout your supply chain. 360 Core is an all-in-one manufacturing quality suite that optimizes your quality planning, inspecting, and reporting with intuitive tools that help your teams deliver high-quality parts on time, on quality, and on budget. Let's start with our dashboards. As a quality leader, you have a bird's eye view of all the projects you're working on. Personalized dashboards are available for each user based on their role in the team. For example, here, I can see that I'm responsible for reviewing 2 NCRs and 5 FAIs that are assigned to me. But let's start at the beginning with a brand new part. Whether starting with a 3D model or a 2D drawing, you plan your quality with intentionality. With one click, you can automatically balloon and extract quality requirements. Add depth and detail to inspection plans in minutes by assigning gauge categories, criticality, SBC target metrics, and even assign operation steps. With planning complete, inspectors simply scan a QR code to bring up their inspection plan and start recording their measurements. 360 Core collects measurement data from any source, providing immediate feedback and SBC analytics to inspectors. With all your data in one secure and scalable database, generate any document you need to finalize your job, including FAI, PFMEA, Gauge R&R, SBC capability studies, and much more. Document templates are customizable and interactive, so users can complete them in a live environment. What's more, every document is managed through our dynamic workflows, so you know the status of any document at any time. Now, looking back at our dashboard, we can see that we were able to approve and finalize all 5 FAIs which we were assigned to. We've cleared through our backlog in record time. With 360 Core taking care of your internal manufacturing, let's see how you can better manage your supply chain quality as well. 360 Hub is a supplier quality management software. It leverages 360 Core so you can share, collaborate, manage, and monitor data with suppliers and customers from an all-in-one manufacturing-driven database with quality processes at the center. Whether your suppliers already use 360 Core or not, the experience is the same. Your quality requirements and part data are sent to them in real time, reducing interpretation. Suppliers can input measurements collected from any source, giving you visibility of production data as it occurs. They can complete submission documents so you can validate quality before parts ship. In this way, you are able to manage your suppliers collaboratively with full traceability and transparency. Let's look at an example. You as the buyer have just received 2 notifications. Let's check them out. We can directly open and review this incoming NCR from our supplier. In the NCR, we can see exactly which feature failed on the part. Once we're done, the workflow will notify the supplier of our disposition. Next, we can review the FAI that was submitted, digitally sign the document, and send the signed record back to the supplier. It's as if your suppliers are part of your shop floor. Both 360 Core and 360 Hub are built on the most secure infrastructure available. Hosted in AWS GovCloud, your data is fully encrypted both at rest and in transit through our state-of-the-art end-to-end encryption protocols. If you prefer self-hosting, our applications can be deployed in virtually any private cloud or local infrastructure, including Azure, AWS, your local physical servers, or anywhere else. Fully ITAR compliant, we also have built-in digital rights management, letting you manage which specific users in your network and among your suppliers can access specific content. Understanding that HiQA products fit into a larger network of software solutions running your business, we have a strong RESTful API so you can integrate with any ERP, PLM, MES, or other systems you may have. HiQA delivers enterprise-ready solutions with all the support and services you need to bring your teams to the next level. Our implementation specialists are passionate about quality and will partner with you to ensure the smooth onboarding of your internal teams and your suppliers. And the HQA Academy offers on-demand certification courses to ensure that you and your suppliers aren't just complying with your quality requirements, they're thriving with them. Thank you for spending the last few minutes with us. We hope to be able to partner with you in the future so we can continue to reimagine manufacturing quality together. To learn more about HiQA's quality solutions, please visit our website or contact one of our quality experts to get started today.